Sucking on the.
How are they so good at that? Why are they so good?
I need that with my ears now.
So we come from Grizzy Rage Moments, and now we're gonna do Grizzy Wheeze compilations. To y'all's request, y'all have spammed, hey, you gotta check out Grizzy's Wheeze. And as a wheezy bitch myself, yeah, let's fucking go, let's do this. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell me more creators you would like me to react to, and make sure that you guys subscribe to the creators that I react to because they're so deserving of it and they're hilarious. Enjoy the video. Wait, before we go, this is by Send Poppy Rick. I actually said their name right.
What'd you have for breakfast today?
My medication.
Antidepressants.
Tastes so good.
Zoa.
It tastes like happiness.
Breakfast really is the most important meal of the day.
Oh my god.
It keeps me from getting through the rest of the day. Or it helps me.
Oh my god, what an ally.
Money, making 7 figures a year.
You wish.
I really fucking do. You don't know, do with 7 figures? Absolutely nothing. Buy more food.
You
Buy
know
more
two with
food.
7 figures? Because I don't even know. I'm trying to find out.
It just left the fucking game as I was shooting.
What is happening? Yo, why is it funnier without Matt? Bro, you got carnated by Drake. You just got cleared out the gulag by the Six Master himself.
Oh my god. I'll tell you what, I did dabble in the Warzone a little bit. There is nothing more funny to me when my friends would die in the gulag and you're like doing your own thing and trying to like get weapons and stuff and get like money and stuff to bring them back because you know they're gonna fucking fuck it up. And then you would hear, fuck! They fucking died in the gulag.
Can I go shower then turn on the cam? That's the only way I'm doing it.
That's a
I'll
good
see you.
idea.
Shower. You're gonna be up all night. You might as well get some Discord
You
content.
just said
out of
today's
it.
gonna be a YouTube day. You're gonna be having to form. Oh, well, he's already gone.
Yeah, that was easy. That was easy. I literally just jumped out of my chair and I was just gonna walk away. Why did I imagine you just frolicking to the shower? Just like skip it. Yeah, that's true. Me on my way to get Discord content. Discord content.
I don't know these other fellers.
I feel like a fairy when I do that, dude. It's like a mid-nay-nay, but
That's so good. That's so good. Bro's not like he shit himself. He needs it.
I'm so mad. I'm so
Like it's itching.
like that's all it was. And then to top it all the f off, I got sent that.
Oh my god. I'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsor today, Raycon. Raycon's everyday earbuds are a perfect gym buddy, coworker, or phone call companion, offering premium audio wherever you go. Their latest model is now better than ever, with a 32-hour battery life and multi-point connectivity that lets you pair 2 devices at once. These earbuds also come with active noise cancellation, which is often difficult to find at an accessible price point, but not with Raycon, which just starts at half the price as premium audio brands. I personally love the cancellation because as I'm going to be making my New Year's resolution of traveling more, this is perfect for those long flights with annoying children screaming in your ear. Raycon's everyday earbuds are also available in a variety of vibrant colors for that style that complements yours. I like green, so their forest green complements my style perfectly. Go to buyraycon.com/Pastaroni to get 15% off site-wide. That's right, you'll get 15% off everything on Raycon's website when you go to buyraycon/Pastaroni. Let's get these resolutions going and make life easier with Raycon. Thank you so much, Raycon, for sponsoring our content.
You fucking. I ain't even trying to cap, but I don't think I'm dressed in the right attire.
You're fine, dude.
Oh, what the fuck?
Can I have a pickaxe?
Just got ganged
Yo,
up on my
Tuxie.
fake. Don't swing.
Tuxie,
Don't
behind
swing.
you. Help me,
Don't
please.
swing.
Help me.
The desperation.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Chat said Harry Potter and the Goblet of Ramen.
I hate whoever said that.
Wait, is that true? Harry Potter had an entire British cast only. I could have starred in Harry Potter.
Bitch,
I don't
you were
think
like
that's how it
fresh
works,
out the
Simple.
womb. What?
You were
Who
6?
the fuck were you gonna play? You barely knew how to read.
He's gonna play Dobby.
Oh, okay, bitch.
Simple has no master.
Excuse me? He's got me a sock.
What did I zone out on?
They're calling me a goblin.
Put some glasses so I can see.
Oh my god. I hate that. I hate that when you get the giggles so hard that you just like fucking your whole face is exploding. I've been laughing like to his wheezes and my eyes are just leaking and it's just fucking leaking. It's bad.
You know you ain't gonna be playing Voldemort, are you?
Okay, man.
Oh yeah, baby.
Why is he on fire?
I know I fell off the
Yeah, that's
arrow.
I only see 3. Wait. I only see 3 gamers, but I hear 4 people on the call. You better fucking subscribe for that joke. It's a John Cena joke, guys. Come on.
You just sound so polite, Juice. You can say the most vulgar shit to me, but like, you're so sweet. You'd be like, you fat fucking oaf. I'm like, right.
British
I'm gonna
people.
drink you up.
Okay, where is this going?
What?
Somewhere you don't want to go. My van.
Honestly, I wouldn't put it past you on owning a van for your first car.
Honestly,
Oh,
same.
Yo, hey, Vinny.
See Aaron just casually driving a
Yo,
van.
can we just like talk about this?
Guys, what do you think my first car is? Pig poacher.
Drop the Jeopardy music.
Was my first car A, a Dodge Intrepid, B, a Jeep Wrangler, C, I can't think of any other cars, hold on, a Nissan Altima, or D, a Honda Civic? If you picked B, you are correct! Do I look like somebody that would own a Jeep? I look at people, I'm like, I try to figure out what kind of car they would drive. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like, I look at somebody, I'm like, they own a Nissan Rogue. You know what I mean? Does anybody else do that? Comment below what your first car was. I'll see if it matches your profile picture.
The time that you're at that party, Redfix, and you got no bitches.
What?
Oh my god, shots fired!
I want to die.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Whenever I say I want to die, I don't actually want to die. It's
I
just
don't
I'm
either.
bored of being me.
I'm really getting there.
That's so relatable.
I love you so much.
I'm sorry, but
It's so relatable. I'm sorry for pausing so much. I don't feel like this conversation was pre-pandemic. I feel like this conversation was very very much post-pandemic because I feel like we all feel like this.
I'm like 50% progression or something like that.
I just started my own music.
I don't give a deadly dick.
It's unreleased. I don't fucking care about unreleased.
Dude! Diddly dick. Hopping on the dick. Doo-doo-doo-doo.
What the fuck? Wait a second.
Sucking on a dick.
Hell no, don't continue. Can't do this with my ears.
How are they so good at that? Why are they so
I
good?
need that with my ears now.
We have Grizzy.
That's potato.
My boy tried to play football.
Hey Arnold.
Hey, I just turned up my gain.
I actually hate it. Please stop. Holy fuck.
Okay, never mind.
All your breeding. Stop, please. Stop.
Turn off my compressor.
Oh my god. You could hear his esophagus come through his mind.
Did a fucking car crash just happen outside?
Oh no, dude! The face that Ash made during that process.
Oh my god. It's like when you put it. Please don't fucking do this. My chat always comes in and they're like, guess what I'm fucking doing, boss? I'm gonna put a Q-tip in my ear. And it makes me want to strangle myself. Because you don't put Q-tips in your ears, guys, okay? You don't put fucking Q-tips in your ear. Anyway, it's like when you put a Q-tip in your ear, it goes goes too far. It's like when it goes too far and then you bust your eardrums like. That was the face. That was the face he made. But the big butcher put his finger right here. Okay. That Q-tip went too far.
Oh, my dick named Lag because she always crying.
What?
Anyways.
What is that? Oh my god.
I don't want to fall asleep. I don't want
Can you all shut the fuck up?
We're singing.
I don't care.
Yo, I want you to funk my balls, all right?
What is that?
Shit, gladly.
What the fuck is that kind of action? My balls.
Is that what you know? Like, I know I about this meme all the time.
Can I also have barbecue sauce? Or do you
She's
have, like,
funking
a
right there.
sauce? No, chicken. Do you have like a buffalo sauce?
Boom. Hey, he's gonna do that to your balls. Oh my god.
Dude, babe, you want to be really positive?
I love when he funks me from the back.
I'm dog shit. Oh my god.
Oh, you,
So hard there. Holy fuck.
you were shooting around. You were outlining his body.
Y'all are dead, all right? Y'all can't talk.
Hey, just because I'm handicapped don't mean you need to make fun of me.
Oh shit! What do you? Wait! How do you come back from that? How do you chat? Mods ban him. Not even live. I'm talking to myself.
Bro, I start showing my titties.
Bro!
For what?
Grizzy OnlyFans.
You know I could low-key do that as a meme too and actually get away with it.
Yes. Chocolate gumdrop. That'll be your porn name.
What? 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 Why did you think of that?
$20 to see my chocolate kisses.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
That's what it is. Not
Yeah.
Yahoo's.
Is chocolate milk? What the fuck? Okay, that's
Oh no.
What? You just call his titties chocolate gumdrops, and me saying their yoo-hoos are fucking weird?
I said his whole ass body was a chocolate gumdrop.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You. Wait, it's like in a You. Big summer blonde.
Big summer blonde.
Grizzy, do your best British accent.
No.
He's like, honestly, that is absolutely. Let me tell you something. And it's called America. When you're American, you don't want to go back to that British shit. I'll tell you what. Let my freedom prevail. Let my falcons fly into the sky with the American flag behind. And I proudly stand up next to you. No fucking British shit. Sorry, British guys. I appreciate you. If y'all from Britland, I see you and I appreciate you and God bless you. But you guys just don't know. Y'all don't know nothing about cooking sometimes. Okay, I'm sorry. Low-hanging fruit. We move on.
It's nothing bad with being a bit of British. Go on, give it your
Big
best.
British.
Come on, British. Just do
Well,
it.
you do that really well, Simple.
That's crazy.
Y'all hear that? It
Really? Give it a crack at it.
I can't say anything.
I can't say anything.
His wheeze is so good.
What the fuck?
I don't even know her.
Wait.
Okay, I knew that I wasn't gonna get. Okay, quick. Quick story. I knew I wasn't gonna get along with my coworkers at the hospital. I knew they weren't gonna like me because we had an Ambler that went off at like, it's when I just got there. It was like 6:30, 7 p.m. And it's like, everyone's phones are going off. And somebody goes, oh, it's just the Amber Alert again. Because we had been getting them all day. And I said, Amber, I don't even know her. Nobody fucking laughed. Nobody fucking laughed. They just looked at me. I was like sick and twisted, which I kind of am. I kind of am. And I was like, oh, this is going to be a long career. It did not go well.
What are you gonna go inside and look for it? No, you're not.
Oh my God, you're like, you're just checking every light. It's like, meow, meow, meow. Like cars going by, you're just like, let me see that license plate. Let me see that license plate. That's what we, oh my God. Oh my God. I just thought of an idea. Every time we get an Amber Alert, everybody's got to go outside and we all just, we look at the cars. We just look at the cars until we find the car. Is that not a great idea? Did I also take a Flintstone vitamin like an hour ago? Yes, but this is a great idea.
Need condoms.
Yes.
Yes.
That's how you get AIDS.
The humans need condoms.
Oh.
You can still get a STD in the booty hole. I found out.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was not aware.
Yeah, you
of
can.
that.
Oh, I was not aware. Oops,
I
sorry.
swear,
The
I
guy
swear.
I fucked last night.
What?
Excuse
You fucked
me?
a guy?
I didn't know.
context.
Guys, remember, I've only been on the internet for a few years and I didn't really watch YouTube or anything before then, right? I didn't realize how bad the problem was with the limited education when it came to sexual health in people. I didn't realize how bad it was. Y'all, we should read more. We should read more because the public health and school system has failed us.
Fuck off.
Oops, sorry to the guy that I fucking rammed last night.
What the fuck?
Why are you gonna say it like that? You said it's
Just to
so
make it up.
Rammed.
I
Well,
fucking
I mean-
rammed last night.
Fucking rammed, beat his ass like bongo drums, made it clap like a church choir. Like, yo, there's so many different ways.
Oh my God. Donkey Konga on that ass.
Drain all the bad energy.
Imagine everyone turning up at the fucking that Jew house. What is it called? Like
The Jew house.
What? Synagogue?
Are you talking about Auschwitz?
Oh my God!
It's a synagogue.
Wait, they're the religion that eats apples with the honey.
Sprinting to hell. Sprinting to hell.
Or is that Muslim? Or is that?
I can't. That's too good. Yes, Grizzy's pretty wheezy. Coming from a wheezy bitch myself. Hilarious. And we stand Grizzy in this house. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, do all the things. Comment below what car your first car was. And I'll see if that car matches your profile picture. Does it give off your aura? I don't know. I need to cleanse my aura. So I'm going to go. Bye!